last lecture, we have discussed first 5 chapters. Okay, introduction, theoretical background, then review of literature, company profile, research methodology. In research methodology, we discussed objectives of the study, hypothesis of the study, limitations of the study, scope of the study. Okay, chapter number 5 was data analysis and interpretation. Yesterday I taught you how to analyze the data with the help of pie charts and bar charts. Okay, today these last 3 chapters we will discuss shortly. Chapter 6 is findings and conclusions. Okay, research findings are what are data you have analyzed, what are the major findings in your research. It is based on questions you have asked to the respondent. Okay, so findings and conclusions you have to write point wise relating to your data analysis, question wise. So in point 1, 2, 3, 4, this way you have to write. Don't write it in paragraphs. Okay, so point wise findings you have to write, point wise conclusions you have to write. 8 to 10 conclusions are enough for PG project. Then chapter 7 is suggestions and recommendations. Now when you study, when you conduct a research study in any particular company or firm, you comes to know what is the actual situation is there, what you have studied into depth, and finally before completion of the project you can give point-wise suggestions to the company in which you have completed your research project, so that you can suggest some changes in their existing situations that is expected. Again, suggestions you have to write point wise 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, recommendations, general recommendations relating to your topic which are useful for that company, that you can give here. Very important it is. Okay, 1 page is findings and conclusions, 1 page suggestions and recommendations. 2 or 3 pages you can continue with these 2 topics. Okay. Then last chapter is references. Friends, bibliography and bibliography. Second is bibliography. I forgot to write bibliography. Bibliography is what? Reference taken from books, textbooks, magazines, reference books, journals, periodicals. Is that clear? All that materials, sources from which you have retrieved the research data. If your topic is ratio analysis and you have taken the list of ratios from any standard book, you have to mention the style of writing the references I had given here. First is name of the book, advanced accounting. Second is name of the author, Nikam. You don't have to write doctor, not sir, nothing, not Mr., Mrs. कुछ नहीं लिखना है आपको. Name of the subject, name of the author, advanced accounting, Nikam, 2011. Year of publication, name of the publisher, success publication, then place of publication, that is Pune, second edition, first, second, third, जो भी है वो लिखना है आपको यहाँ पे, second edition, and last is page number, that also you have to write. Because yesterday I told you, plagiarism is the new thing which you have to face when you submit research data. Plagiarism is what? When some researchers are copying data from another research materials, books, magazines or PhD thesis, then it creates a problem. Now there are softwares like Dustball, Urkund, okay. So that software, when data is uploaded, immediately within a moment it shows how much percentage of plagiarism is there. Plagiarism is data chori, simply, when you are copying directly. So read, understand and rewrite instead of copying same to same data. When you will find it is useful, then use it, give its reference properly. That is very important. And next part is bibliography. So bibliography is what? You can mention the links of that websites from which you are taking your data. Is that clear? So that link you have to copy and you have to put here in references. So this is compulsory for submission of any research project. It may be PhD, maybe MPhil, maybe MCom, MBA, any PG project you do, references are compulsory with bibliography and bibliography. If any questions are there, you can ask me. Any questions, any doubts? That's all.